Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to use MiniMax M3 for free to create a nice website like this about the life of Mr. Beast. As you can see, looks very nice as a website created by an AI. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use MiniMax M3 for free. Okay, first thing first, go here to agent.minimax.eu. Okay, you can create website, image generation, you can use it as you want. Okay, for us, we want to create a website. You can use one of those templates or you can create your website from here. Okay, I want to create a website about the life of Mr. Beast using this model MiniMax M3. Okay, let's hit send. Okay, continue with Google. Wow, we have to agree. Let's continue with Google. Use your Google account. Okay, the thing is, I don't have billing right now. Okay, start working. Okay, I want. Okay. Okay, let's start. Let's download. Okay. Let's extract this file and let's test it. Okay, as you can see, it looks very nice. This is our MrBeast Live website. As you can see, there is good work. It's awesome work created by MiniMax M3. Thank you guys for watching. See you later on the next video. Support me in Coffee and subscribe for the channel for more tutorials like this. I want to make 1 million subscribers. Please help me a lot.